on my noggin. But since I already got it poppin', it's just another option. It's sorta like waiting for the blunts to dry. I never played the fall or the stunt guy. I played the runt on the hunt for my rise. So now I rise in the eyes of those who see me struggling. I'm ready to overcome.
I know what it is. The valve is on it, just adjustment on the handle. On the box. It's gotta be adjusted.
Fucking river bed.
Yeah, they don't come off the turnpike out so much.
I guess they got the big job. You know, the court's supposed to have his hat on. You know that, right? Listen, when he go out to do that, he's supposed to have his hat on. He don't have his hat on. Let me tell the people. That's all seeing. He's gonna give them their ticket or whatever he's doing. When he's doing that, whatever he's doing, he's supposed to have his hat on. He doesn't have his hat on. Look, listen, when he go out to do that, he's supposed to have his hat on. He don't have his hat on. Let me tell
Yeah, it's supposed to know that.
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
Party crasher, a ride skateboard, but I'm a thrasher. Let me tell you what I'm after. In the black, living the dream. Microphone fiend since I was a teen. That was a new day in the game.
What y'all gotta do today, baby?
Today, we going back to family's house and put a rail on there for her. Now that she's a little older, she kind of wants some security when she walking around. My auntie do so. We gonna go over there and we gonna put the rail up for her by the steps.
Oh, you going to your aunt's house?
Yeah, we going to my aunt's house today. Watch yourself, bro. I'm just saying, you made a turn that was way over in the motherfucker. You can't do that shit.
Alright, sister. Last day. We ain't gonna bug you no more.
Motherfuckers be a circle back. Had to knock on the motherfucker. He already stayed. It's brown up in here in a minute. VL. We'll take one at a time. Shit. Grab it out of 2 pieces. But instead of hustling.
You alright, man?
Yeah, what's up, cuz? What's going on, man?
You always doing that.
I said, what, you making a documentary or something?
Yeah. How you doing, man?
All right.
It's good to see you, brother.
Right, how you doing?
That's what I need. If you caught that, I need a little whip, girl, for real.
Where I got my other car
nice,
from.
though.
Yeah, right.
It's
That's
nice.
All right, what's up, man?
How much you pay for this joint?
18.
Yeah, that's all right.
That's what I said, man. I
Yeah.
called it the right time.
Right, right. This joint right, too, man. That's what I need right now. I need something.
I heard that.
Yeah, and it looks good, too, man. It looks good, man.
Yeah, it runs too, man. It
What
runs
year,
great.
what year is it?
96.
Yeah.
Yup.
Yeah, cuz. That. It's right here. I've been looking for something. I'm still looking, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I kept looking myself and I came across this.
Yeah, that's all right right there.
All right, yeah.
Okay,
Right,
cuz. Easy, man.
Coffee, everything. You have to climb. You see that little movie? Now look. Well, we ain't gonna bug you.
We need some work done.
Oh, yeah, you do. You better drop a card off. What you run into? I mixed up a black, some mocha, and a latte. Yeah. Natural energy.
need his hammer, right? I come back and shut this. Don't worry about it.
You know, I take a ruler. You gotta find that ruler.
You took a ruler?
Yeah, I got her ruler. The ruler was hers. Ain't mine.
Why did you take it? Your little brother.
I know that's right, Pops. I heard that.
Yo, that's what I was saying.
They don't know I'm the boss then.
Uh-oh.
Last come first.
Well, your sister said she want me to do it. Okay, we're going to let's hook up and cut a couple pieces. 3 blocks.
VO weapons. Go on.
First block. That's the rules.
Okay.
In the business, when you step down, you should be able to put your hand on the rail like that.
Okay, the first step.
Yeah, see, this here is too high. It's like if somebody tall, fine. She would have to lift her leg up. She would have to lift her leg up. Like if somebody tall, fine. She would have to lift her leg up, arm up. First block, I'm gonna put right here. Let's put this first block. Okay.
The battery going there?
And that must be going to be it.
Yeah, man. Look at the gun.
It's around the corner right there. So when you're standing down there, is that comfortable with your hand, man?
I'm taller than her.
Well, I mean, you know. Because you got to go down as you go. But this is the first thing you grab right here. Remember, this is
Okay,
gonna
this
sit
is
here.
good.
Right, remember, this is going to sit here like that. So that's going to put the rail in here.
Okay, this is good.
All right, now. And you got to put some screws in here without breaking this block. I don't know if you want to be that close to the end. Let me start it. You won't break it. Go in and out. Right. Easy. Back out.
When it don't go flat like that, that's what breaks. So I don't need to put it right there.
No,
I just
you-
want to try to pull it. I'm trying not to go with a thing. Let me see. So I got to screw this too, right? Put that about right there.
You see. Well, no, it's got to be like this.
All right, I'm just trying to not put no screws where we
I
gonna
want-
put this
I
metal.
want brown to make a perfect what's thing going around the corner. Make it pull out the skills. I mean, you can put that in. Oh shit! Pop. Back up. Come on. Easy. Easy. This one grab.
That's cool. Pop.
All right. That's good. Because sometimes you gotta move. Because it's got to go straight
All right,
down.
well this too close to this. How about if I do this? Look, you do this. Put that one in. Come on. That way it ain't no strain on that shit.
Okay. Inside. It's my list. This end right here. 45. All right, put it on 45. The other way, inside.
Now,
Trying to keep it as much as possible. Okay, on the opposite side. Is that right, man?
what?
No, I'm saying, is that right? Put it on there. That's an inside cut. It's inside.
Right.
Right, inside. You gotta turn the blade this way.
That's the way I had it the first one.
No.
No.
You need some footage, right?
See, I knew I had it right. And I did it right. And then I flipped it back. This is upside down.
I told you. Well, it's
That way you can lift it up some. So
you
we
can't tell by putting a piece of wood here and a what's the name?
All right, but you still got to lift the back end up.
Right.
Lift the back end up. That's all. So you're going to know where it's going, right? Then it should be cut on an angle. It has to be cut on an angle like that.
What do you mean?
You can't, it's going to be like this. It's not going to be like this. You got to cut it, you have to cut this. When you cut the rail, you got to cut it sitting up like this.
I don't think
That way when it go like this,
I don't think we're going to get that.
nah, you're not. You're not going to get
I
it.
don't think we're going to be able to make a cut like that. That's going to be shit.
The VO comes to work.
So I'm late.
all good.
Hey man, can you show them the angle on this? Cause I mean,
What's the angle, John?
that like
Come up a little.
turn it sideways. Like you got to cut it at the side, like the way you cut it on the top.
This should be like this.
Yeah, you can.
You got to cut it
Are we
like
going to be able to cut that out?
you got to be able to cut it like this.
Yeah.
Like
Angle, John. Let me see. Hold on, put it back up there for a minute.
he know what he doing on the angle joint.
That's my
When
molding.
he's sitting here,
Now that's beautiful, straight.
Straight. Yeah.
But your end has got to be turned.
both of them got to be cut so they can. So this one,
unless this,
Yeah,
Right.
You can, huh?
unless this one, I made a cut here and a cut here to make this go straight, but the cut will be going down right here. These two got to be straight.
right? You got to make this cut like this, and
See
this
what I'm
cut
saying?
got to go under so this can lay on top of this one.
Put your back up, Bob. Put
What
your back
about
up.
if we do it the other way?
Man,
Hold on, put your back up a little.
okay,
Put your back
can
up.
we see it real fast? Can we
Put
see it
it
real
like this.
fast?
No.
I got you. Can we
Put
see
your
it real
back up,
fast?
right? Put your back up, son. Man.
Listen, Doug.
Oh, we up.
It's too high up here.
No. Look, this is what I'm gonna do. Lift it up a little bit. You can't.
Then this got to be like this.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
yeah. We're gonna cut it
Yeah.
here,
Guess what?
Okay.
and the angle gonna make it go down.
Okay.
That's on my wrist. Like, it's gonna be like this.
All right, so we got to get a double. You got to get something double to hold that right there. You got to put here, right? Once he mark it, and he do the angle cut right here, and the angle cut, and this will lay right on top of it.
Yeah,
Flat.
but it's gonna be straight though. This is gonna be flat like this. This board, this piece right here, gonna be flat too.
Okay.
Just like this, meeting this one, and from right here, it's gonna go down.
How's it ain't gonna be flat? How you gonna make it flat now? Oh, if you cut it.
Down here. So that shit have like a handle right here, and it didn't go down.
Yeah, but what kind of cut?
Okay. Well, now what's this gonna hold? Like, what's gonna? we got to put a joint here and a joint on this side. So the cut is gonna have to be.
Cut might be on this side.
It's like this, right? Now your cut is gonna be the one you come in here this way, like you turn it like this and cut it at the angle like this, and this one you cut at the angle like this, so this one can set right on top of it. I saw you do it 100.
Yeah,
You know what I'm talking about?
Bracket here.
Yeah, when you put the bracket there though, it'll.
See what I'm saying?
Like, huh?
Is this jump for the floor? I mean,
For the steps?
nah. Is this for the wall over there, right? This
That's for the wall around there, yeah.
All right, I'm gonna yeah, all right. Cause he got that part of the gator.
Cut my junk, man. I'm in another line from him and shit.
What?
I cut my hair down last night.
Oh shit. Okay.
And I was like, okay, my man he hit my junk, but hold up, when it's down, just go.
Okay. Yeah. You got it. It ain't laid there. Okay. You gotta fix that.
See, humiliation is over for me. I need a lot of my shit.
Yeah. Right.
You know what I mean? Don't smoke.
Right.
Don't smoke,
Right.
you know what I mean? Thank you, bro.
All right, then we'll do that after
After
this.
that.
All right, we're going to another block. Down here in the middle. Down here on the end.
You got the screw though, right?
Yeah, we're ready to go up. I guess this is a good height.
They're probably around the same size. Y'all about the same height.
I think that's a good height. Yeah.
Just get the screws in the pocket. Excuse me. They got that one. Sideways. That's good right there.
Boss him. Yeah.
Oh, there's another one up there. Yeah, bossy.
That track was. You be up there cutting again, then they hit there.
Hey yo, I have it ready for you tomorrow. You ready? I got this
Some airtime.
See that? Y'all can't talk and work. Then you gotta cut another one.
I ain't busted up, man. They're using that one.
Yeah, we gotta go get one of them though. What do you think?
Why not cut this thing?
Who we gonna put one in the middle?
I ain't hear that. So.
He was moving too fast.
Ouch!
Oh,
Oh, wow.
oh, we got one. They still got one.
People been go out there.
That's what he did.
Give me one right here.
You know what I'm saying?
Go on the angle, go straight in.
Now I gotta put about 8 million screws.
Yeah, but you long screw anyway. Long screw. Inch and 5/8.
What's the difference?
It's a difference.
Try this gold one.
Put an inch and 5/8 in it.
Man. Good.
Put an inch and 5/8 in there.
What that what it was?
No, that's the same thing.
Different woods.
Yeah.
We gotta start using a different kind of wood.
Oh, money.
That's cool.
Break.
Don't cost a lot of money. Don't break.
Right.
Yeah.
Or plywood.
What plywood?
Cut it. You got to cut
Right.
yourself a 3/4 piece, 3/4 or something like that. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what
Make sure.
Okay.
That's how you do it, right? Set it on
She's
top
gonna
of
be good and
like
safe.
that, right?
So you can't see it.
Okay.
The seniors that had the time walking, they had them down the hallway on both sides, where they could be like this here.
Right.
To the living room. Yeah.
Okay.
Too tight?
That's pretty good.
Now, don't you think that should be a little on an angle?
What?
No. I'm talking about the bar.
Going
So,
down.
shouldn't be straight across.
It should be
Because this
going
hurts your
down.
arm. This. No. You alright?
No. I gotta loosen it.
What them small ones at, Pop?
Yeah. Use a small one at the tip top. But when you're gonna use a big one, use a big one.
That's right there. No, Pop, no.
There's
I'm thinking. Think we should go where that other big screw at? On this bottom?
the only thing about that when you get
It's
ready.
gonna break.
If you have to take the
think?
bracket off, you gotta take the whole board down. You see what I mean? If you have to ever move the bracket, you have to move the board. You don't want to do that.
No, what I'm talking about, if I put the screw, if I put another screw by this one, think it'll break the board. If I put
No,
another screw.
I think it'd be
If
alright.
it's a small one.
Put a small one there.
Just a little angle.
Yeah, I mean that's a little bit better. But once you step up, you know what I mean. Once you step up, at least once you step up like this here.
Going up.
Yeah.
So,
So you put it on an angle for leverage, Pops?
Yeah. I mean, you know, when you, well, mostly if it's straight like that, you know, if you get, the thing gonna dig into your arm. So if you put it on an angle, it'll be more level.
Okay.
For leverage, yeah.
What the hell am I doing here? Oh yeah, that was some bullshit. Ah. King of Love. Come on, man, Joe. You gonna pull them all out, huh?
We'll put questions on the minds of those surrounded. We'll get it right. So on the door we just keep pounding, pounding. We keep pounding.
Opportunity is knocking at the front of my noggin. But since I already got it poppin', it's just another option. It's sorta like waiting for the blunts to dry. I never played the fall or the stunt guy. I played the runt on the hunt for my rise. So now I rise in the eyes of those who see me struggling. I'm ready to overflow the pot, ever bubbling. I need something other than fancy clothes or flashy cars. I need peace and a peace of mind so I can shine and find myself relaxed in the
Okay, inside. It's my list. It's in right here. 45. All right, put it on 45. The other way, inside.
Now,
Trying to keep as much as possible. Okay, go ahead.